Meet the Monimoto 7. This little guy is big trouble for motorbike thieves. It's super easy to hide this smart wireless GPS tracker in your motorcycle. And if a thief tries to steal it, Monimoto alerts your phone and keeps you updated via the app. Pretty neat, huh? It's taking bike security to the next level. How? Well, Monimoto is completely wireless, so it won't drain your bike's battery. Then there's the integrated eSIM card that uses LTE-M technology, works globally, gives a longer battery lifetime, and better coverage. The result? Simple. You catch the bad guys way faster. Secure your bike with the Monimoto 7. Enjoy the ride. We'll take care of the security.